Why does the correct calculation of pipe size matter so much? You may have found yourself pondering this question, especially if you're involved in the fields of engineering, construction, or even DIY home improvement. To put it simply, the right pipe size can make all the difference between a smoothly flowing system and a disaster waiting to happen. First, it's important to understand that pipe sizes are not arbitrary. They're determined by the volume of fluid or gas that needs to flow through them and the speed at which it should move. Imagine a highway. If there are too many cars and not enough lanes, you've got yourself a traffic jam. But if there are too many lanes for too few cars, you've wasted resources building unnecessary infrastructure. Similarly, with pipes, if the pipe is too small for the volume it needs to carry, you'll likely experience pressure issues. On the other hand, if the pipe is too large, it could result in unnecessary costs and inefficiencies. To calculate the correct pipe size, follow these steps. Step 1. Determine the flow rate. This is the volume of fluid or gas that needs to move through the pipe in a given amount of time. It's usually measured in gallons per minute or cubic feet per second. Step 2. Determine the velocity. This is the speed at which the fluid or gas should move through the pipe. The ideal velocity depends on the type of fluid or gas, as well as other factors like the pressure and temperature. Step 3. Use these two values to calculate the pipe size. You can do this using a pipe sizing chart or an online calculator. Remember to always double-check your calculations, as an incorrect pipe size can lead to serious problems. So what are the key points to remember about pipe size calculation? Firstly, it's not an arbitrary decision. The correct pipe size is crucial for the efficient and safe operation of any fluid or gas transport system. Secondly, determining the correct pipe size involves 3 steps: calculating the flow rate, determining the ideal velocity, and using these values to calculate the pipe size. Lastly, always double-check your calculations. The consequences of an incorrect pipe size can be severe, ranging from operational inefficiencies to potential safety hazards. In conclusion, the correct calculation of pipe size is not just critical, it's a necessity. It ensures the optimal performance of the system and the safety of those around it. So the next time you're working on a project that involves pipes, remember, size does matter.